Hi, this is ViVentor tutorial of Open Loan View. After you have filtered all the loans listed and narrowed down to ones that you are interested in, you can view every loan in detail by simply clicking on it. In the Open Loan View, you can see all information regarding the specific loan, such as loan purpose, closing date, current investment distribution, and more. The LTV ratio, which stands for loan to value, is a good indicator for risk assessment. It shows what is the ratio of loan amount against its underlying security. In this case, the LTV is only 20%, meaning the underlying security is worth 5 times more than the loan amount itself. Obviously, this means that the particular loan is a very safe investment opportunity. The mortgage loans in ViVentor normally do not exceed 40% LTV, positioning them as very low-risk investments with the best rates on the market. You can also see the collateral's approximate location and that it has been appraised by an independent, certified third-party office. Moreover, the loan agreement has been signed with the borrower in presence of a public notary in Spain, ensuring highest standards of underwriting. Last but not least, the loan also comes with additional security of buyback guarantee. If a borrower is delinquent for 60 days, the loan originator will automatically buy this loan back, paying principal in full, as well as the accrued interest for all investors. The borrower details, payment schedule, and other information can also be found in Open Loan View. In order to invest, simply enter the amount, click Invest, and confirm your choice. In case of any questions, you can contact us by clicking on the circle at the bottom right corner, and the ViVentor team will get back to you as soon as possible.